So this massive green candle you are seeing right here is for the WEEX token, okay, the WXT token. I talked about WEEX exchange few days ago. I published a video on how to trade futures on the WEEX exchange few days ago. And guys, if you know me with exchange tokens, you know that I actually put a lot of interest when it comes to major exchanges, okay, and their native tokens. For instance, take the BGB token, the Bitget exchange token, as an example. I started talking about it when it was less than $1, and today that token is trading at $7 plus, and this is the WEEX token, okay. In one day alone, in less than 24 hours, this token has spiked up by more than 100%. Just imagine you took advantage of this exchange and bought this token the other day. I started making videos about the futures trading. It means that you would have been up by 100% already. Okay, guys, so it is not late yet. All right, it is not late yet. This token is trading at 0.03 right now. I believe that this token will one day get to maybe $1, $2, $3, just like other exchanges. Okay, so if you are looking for a long-term project to buy and hold, if you are looking for something that will actually, you know, generate a lot of income for you in the future, then the WEEX exchange is one of those tokens you want to look at. Okay, this is not in any way a financial advice. This is just what I do and I chose to share with you. So if you want to take advantage of it, you are welcome. Now, if I take you quickly to coin market cap and we scroll down to what the market cap is right now, market cap is still very low, okay, less than 100 million market cap, and they have a total supply of about around 10 billion. Okay, that's what their total supply is going to be, around 10 billion of the WEEX token. So if this token managed to make maybe 1 cent, 2, 3, 4, 5, or even up to $1, that will mean a whole lot. All right, but I believe the way WEEX is penetrating the market right now, okay, in no time this token will definitely cancel the zero in front of it. So this is not in any way financial advice, guys. Okay, go and buy the WEEX token if you want to. By the way, it is a nice exchange where you can do futures, spot trading, you can do copy trading and all of that. Go check it out. The link will be in the video description. Now, if the link refuses to open, check the referral code. You can go to your app store, your Play Store, to download the WEEX app, okay, and then use the referral code to sign up and you get a welcome bonus. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you got this token. Okay, if you're already buying the token, let me know in the comment section. By the way, if you want to take advantage of all the free signals we share every day on Telegram, the link to join us on Telegram will be in the video description or on my bio. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.